One of the great things about Handshake is that you can schedule an appointment with a member of the ELCDC from the comfort of your dorm room, from the convenience of your phone. So it's a really great way to find a common meeting time based on what you need. So from Handshake, you'll click on the Career Center tab, and then we'll click on Appointments and start Schedule a New Appointment. Here you can choose what category you need. So do you need help with resume? Are you interested in learning more about study abroad? Do you need help with an interview? Do you need help choosing your major? So kind of narrowing down what you want to meet with us about. We'll say resume today. And then it breaks down even further. Where am I in the resume process? So here it shows us available days and times, and tomorrow's Friday, so who wants to have an appointment on Friday? I've got so many other plans, or I have class, or I have to work, things like that. So we can look ahead to next week, and we see that there is availability every day. So we can click around and see, okay, well, what days and times work best for me? When do I have class? When do I have practice? When do I have meetings? So I can pick a day and time that works well for me. I can choose whether I want to meet in person, have a phone call, or do a video call. And then there's a box where I can provide more detail. Okay, so am I looking for help because I need to update my resume from high school? Do I have a resume, but it needs to be reformatted so it stays on one page? Giving a little context so the person you meet with knows kind of what to expect. Sometimes there are questions you'll need to answer, things to acknowledge before you come in for your appointment. And then you hit request, and then your request is automatically sent to the counselor that you are registered to meet with, and they will be ready and waiting for you whenever it's time for you to come. That's how you schedule an appointment on Handshake.